Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. So I wanted to share a quick and easy simple dinner idea that you can use for Cinco de Mayo or basically any day. We're gonna make some carne asada tacos, so I just went ahead and picked up some marinated taco meat from the store really quick. And we're gonna go ahead and cook that. We got the pan all warmed up, and now we're just gonna place it in there, nice and simple. I had bought 1 pound at first, but then it looked like a little bit, so I went ahead and got another pound. So that's 2 pounds of carne asada meat. And here I'm just spreading it out, that way it all gets a chance to cook evenly. I'm gonna go ahead and add some onion powder, garlic powder, some cumin, and salt and pepper, but just a little bit because it's already seasoned. I'm just gonna add a little bit to give it a little bit more, to wake up the spices a little bit. Now in the meantime, while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my cilantro, my toppings. I'm making like a street taco, so I'm just using cilantro and onions and some lemon. Let me know in the comments below what kind of toppings do you guys like to put on your tacos. For me, it depends what kind I'm making, but usually I like to add cilantro, and then like on other kinds I would add lettuce, tomato, and then I love sour cream and avocado guacamole. Guacamole is probably my favorite. Oh, and also cheese. You can't forget the cheese, right? Now here I'm just showing you that I'm going to go ahead and put the skillet on the stove and warm it up, so that way for the tortillas. And also we like to put our tortillas inside with the meat, so sometimes we eat them just like that, like kind of steamed up with they get the flavor of the meat or whatever you're cooking in there, the meat or chicken. Okay friends, so raise your hand if onions make you cry. That would be me sometimes. Sometimes they are just so strong, they make me cry. But this one was good. This one was really good. It didn't make me cry at all. The only problem I had was with the knife. I should have got a better knife, but I don't know why I got this kind of serrated one. I think I don't know, is these called steak knives? I'm not sure. But I got this one for cutting the onion instead of the ones that I should have got. And also to top it off, it's not even sharp. So that's why you see me kind of struggling here. Alright, now the meat is done. There's not really many juices left in the bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and warm up some tortillas on the comal and get some plates served. If this is your first time here on my channel, I want to go ahead and thank you for being here and invite you to subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so it can reach out to more people. And if you're a returning viewer, I want to express my gratitude. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank you so much for returning and watching my content. And also thank you for all the likes and shares and subscribes. I hope you like this super simple taco recipe. You could also serve it with whatever you have on hand. I happen to have some beans ready, and I had some cactus salad, but I forgot to get it out, so that will be for next time. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, Jesus loves you.